Hello there, welcome back to our Prepsaret YouTube channel. Today we have a very interesting lesson again, and we're still talking about slopes and equations of lines. I would want us to understand what a slope is, just in a nutshell, and also probably relate it to the equation of a line. What is a slope? A slope is the steepness of a line, what we can also call the gradient. So the steepness of a line is what we call a slope. If you equate it to a mountain or a hill, the steepness of that mountain is also what we call the slope. So what is the relationship between a slope and the equation of a line? Just before I get you into this example where we are given the equation of a line and we are supposed to identify the slope or extract the slope from that equation of a line. So look at this. In demonstrating more, look at the several lines that I've drawn for you here. The steepness differs from one line to another. So it means they have different slopes. In other words, they have different gradients. Relationship between slope and an equation of a line. Now, linear equations, these are equations of straight lines, and they are written in the form y is equals to mx plus c, where m, which is the coefficient of x, is the slope. So anytime you have an equation of a line, it is very easy to extract the slope from it, especially if you have written that equation of that line in the form y is equals to mx plus c. So let us go to our example and see what the problem required us to do. All right, our statement reads, what is the slope of the line represented by the equation 3x plus 4y is equals to 8? Remember, our subtopic was slope of a line with a given equation. In other words, you're given the equation and you're looking for the slope of a line. I have definitely given you some insight and told you that the first thing when you're solving for this, you must write the given equation in the form y is equals to mx plus c, so that in that process you'll be in a position of getting m, which is the slope. So many times you'll be given an equation that is disarranged, an equation that has no proper formation of y is equals to mx plus c. So it is your responsibility to arrange this equation in the form y is equals to mx plus c. What do? We remain with 4y on the left hand side, this side of the equal sign. So we shall have 4y is equals to, so it means 3x be taken to the other side of the equal sign. We have 8, because it is a positive on this side, it will be a minus on the other side of the equal sign. We continue arranging it. So 4y is equivalent to, we begin with the value of x. We begin with the x value because of the arrangement, so that it can be in tandem with the formation, with the form of that y is equals to mx plus c. So we shall have 4y is equals to negative 3x. Nothing has changed really, plus 8. We just want to make it in tandem with the original form or the natural form of equations of a line. So now, at this point, we can divide by 4 across. Divide by 4 across. Yeah, divide by 4 here. Divide by 4 here. Divide by 4 here. So that we can eliminate it from the left-hand side of the equal sign. We remain with only y. Y is equals to negative 3 over 4x plus by 4, 1 by 4, 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So that is your equation. The equation is y is equals to negative 3 over 4x plus 2. And for that matter, the gradient or the slope is negative 3 over 4. So key things here to master, my learner, you have to arrange the equation in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Then secondly, you identify the gradient, which is m, or the slope. See you in the next video.